Hey, everyone. Welcome back to another amazing gaming chair review on our channel. Today, we've got something really special for you, the high-quality gaming chair RGB light office chair gamer computer chair ergonomic swivel chair 2-point massage gamer chairs. This gaming chair is not just another regular chair, it's an immersive experience wrapped in high-quality leather, designed to provide an extra level of comfort during those long gaming sessions or work hours. Whether you're playing games, watching TV, working, or just taking a break, this chair is perfect for all of your needs. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. Let's talk about the outstanding features of this chair. First off, the colorful RGB LED lights are a game changer. With flashing lights on the back and edge of the seat, you can easily adjust multiple lighting modes and brightness levels with the remote control. It creates a dynamic feel in your gaming room that elevates the whole experience. But that's not all. This gaming chair also comes with a 2-point lumbar massage function, providing ultimate comfort and relaxation while you're seated. The ergonomic design, strong metal frame, and premium quality thickened sponge material ensure that you maintain a balanced posture and reduce pressure and pain during those long gaming or work hours. And let's not forget the high-quality materials used in this gaming chair: smooth leather, sturdy and durable construction, and a heavy-duty base with smooth rolling casters for great stability and mobility. The multifunctionality of this chair is also worth noting. The linkage armrests move with a 135-degree recline backrest, and the Class 3 gas lift cylinder allows for 10 cm height adjustment and 360-degree swivel seat. It's designed for ultimate flexibility and comfort while you're gaming or working. The wide usage of this chair is the cherry on top. It provides upright support for work mode while typing and working, and easily switches to gaming mode with a slight recline for relaxation. So, if you're looking for a high-quality, comfortable, and versatile gaming chair that's perfect for your gaming setup or work environment, this is the one for you. Take your gaming and work experience to the next level with this amazing chair. And the best part? It comes with a remote control and a variety of color options to choose from. The best gaming chair on the market is just one click away. Don't miss out on the opportunity to upgrade your gaming experience. Check the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing gaming chair. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.